everyone! What happens when Lily meets giant, possibly hungry dinosaurs? Whoa, hi there! You're not so scary! Today, Lily and her mom explore a crazy dinosaur park full of surprises. Stay tuned. Things might get funny, scary, and a little out of control. Wow, Mom, the dinosaurs look bigger than our house.
Don't worry, they only eat naughty kids. Just kidding.
I will be very polite today. Good choice. I want to go home with you. Mom, can I get the VIP dinosaur experience?
Only if you promise not to ride a real dinosaur.
What if the dinosaur invites me?
Then I will invite myself to run away.
This T-Rex looks hungry.
It's probably thinking about lunch.
Am I the lunch?
No, you are dessert.
Mom, I found a bone.
That's amazing. What is it?
It looks like your cooking spoon.
Hey, my cooking is not that old.
Mom, let's ride dinosaurs.
That's a great idea.
This ride is shaking like a real dinosaur.
Hold tight or you will become history.
I don't want to be a fossil yet.
Me neither. I still have bills to pay.
Mom, I'm tired of riding dinosaurs.
We'll go see dinosaurs in the jungle.
Mom, I think that dinosaur moved.
It's just a robot, I hope.
Why did you say hope?
Because I didn't read the sign.
Can we feed the dinosaur?
Only if you want to lose your hand.
Maybe just a small snack then.
Yes, like a leaf, not your finger.
Mom, can we go to the experiment area?
Sure, let's go.
Mom, they say dinosaurs had feathers.
Then they were fashionable.
Imagine a T-Rex with a jacket. That would be a stylish monster. Mom, let's go see a dinosaur movie.
That's a great idea, daughter.
This dinosaur movie is scary. Don't worry, they can't come out. Are you sure?
I checked twice.
Mom, where are we going now? Let's go to the dinosaur shop. I want this dinosaur toy.
You already have 10.
But this one looks smarter.
Smarter than who?
Mom, let's not buy any more. Let's go eat together, Lily. Mom, I want a dinosaur burger.
I hope it's not real dinosaur meat.
That would be scary.
And expensive.
Mom, I'm not full yet. Where should we go next?
Let's go get some ice cream, Lily.
My ice cream melted like a volcano.
Eat faster before it becomes soup.
It's already soup.
Then drink it like a dinosaur. Mom, where are we? This is the dinosaur costume area.
Look, I am a baby dinosaur.
You look cute and dangerous.
I will roar at everyone.
Please don't scare the tourists.
Okay, Mom.
Good girl.
Mom, that's the photo area over there.
Let's go there.
Yay! Take a photo of me riding the T-Rex. Smile like a brave explorer.
Me, this is fun. Perfect.
I am brave!
Until dinner time.
Mom, let's go to the dinosaur maze.
I love that place. Let's go quickly.
Yay, let's go. Mom, it's so beautiful.
Unbelievable.
Mom, I think we are lost.
Follow me. I have a good sense of direction.
You said that last time.
And we found the exit eventually.
Mom, this place is so interesting.
I think so too.
Let's go ride the dinosaur roller coaster, Mom.
Sure, if you want.
This is too fast!
Scream, it helps.
Good! Now I feel better too. I want to play more.
No, we're going to play in the water.
Okay, I am all wet.
Congratulations, you are now a water dinosaur.
I didn't sign up for this.
The ride signed you up.
Whoa!
See, it's fun.
Let's go see the dinosaur show, Mom.
Okay, let's go.
The lights make dinosaurs look magical.
Yes, like glowing monsters.
I want to stay here forever.
Let's not test that idea.
Let's go to the rest area, Mom.
Okay, let's go together.
I am tired, Mom.
Even dinosaurs need rest.
Mommy, carry me like a baby dinosaur.
My back says no.
Aw, please.
Not today, sweetie.
I don't want to leave. The dinosaurs need to sleep too. Do they snore?
Probably louder than your dad.
Let's go to the parking lot.
Okay, come with me.
I wish we had a dinosaur car.
It would eat too much fuel.
Or eat other cars. That would solve traffic. Today was the best day ever!
I survived, so I agree.
Can we come again tomorrow?
Let me rest for a year first.
I will dream about dinosaurs tonight.
I will dream about sleeping peacefully.
What if a dinosaur appears in my dream?
Tell it to pay rent.
Mom, are dinosaurs good at math?
Only when counting their teeth.
That's silly.
You're so funny.
That's a lot of teeth.
Yes, enough to worry me.
Can dinosaurs use phones?
Their arms are too short. That's funny. Technology saved us.
I want a pet dinosaur.
Start with a goldfish first.
That's boring.
It won't eat me.
Mom, do dinosaurs brush their teeth?
I hope so. Very dangerous breath.
Otherwise, bad breath. Mom, are we safe now?
Yes, no dinosaurs here. Good. I can relax. Me too, finally.